Hi all, welcome to the cave. My name's Kaz. Right, I know yet another eco resin piece, but quite frankly, it's almost 40 degrees in my garage. It's just way too hot for any sense. I didn't want to skip out on making videos though, and I thought you might enjoy this one. This, I don't think you can tell very well, but it's actually a cat, or cat's head at least. And as you probably know, I have rather a large number of cats in our colony. Now, the one who is most often caught on camera joining in is Spot. The Spot is ginger and white, so I'm going to have a go at making Spot's head. It's not going to be anywhere near accurate, but 400 grams of powder, 120 grams of water, and I really hope I don't have to go and mix up more to top this up, which is usually what happens to me. I think I'm really clever, and then I discover I'm actually not at all. I'm looking at it now and I'm already thinking I'm probably going to need another 100 grams, but let's get this mixed up first and see where we are. So I'm currently using the Yumcraft brand, which I get from Amazon. And it comes in 4.5 kilo tubs. Also comes with some paint, gloves, measuring thing, but I generally don't really use those. Right, I think that we are mixed up. Now I'm using the Resin colorant, which is pretty pigmented, so I don't want to go overboard. Oh, that's not everything now. Well, I just said I didn't want to go overboard, and I already think I have, but let's see. I'm not even going to mix it any more than that. Yeah, I don't want to ruin it before I've even started, so here we go. Let's hope for the best. But pouring a bit fast, so it's going to be less marbly than I'd hoped, although quite a bit of marble at the bottom, as in the top of the cat's head, but the bottom of the mould. And I've actually got some left over. So I'm going to find something else to throw this into. And I will be back to see you momentarily. Bye. Okay, this is dry. It's time to get it out and see how well or otherwise the orange has come through. Oh, I think that's so cool. It doesn't actually look much like Spot, but I don't care. I just think it's gorgeous anyway. Right. Now, I really need to leave this to dry out a bit. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start painting the eyes. Or am I? Yes, I am. Right. I want to use this, like, it's a goldy colour metallic pen. And I'm just going to, hoping I'm staying in shot. Because I will be putting a layer of UV over this. I want to make this look as much like Spot as possible. Okay, let's get the other one done. I probably should have waited until this was completely dry. I just want to get it started, because this video is supposed to be going out tomorrow evening. It's now Thursday morning. I'm kind of taking advantage of the very short amount of time I've got before Bob gets back. If you're not aware, Bob is my husband. He had cataract surgery yesterday. He is out and about today. Had appointments. I had appointments at the opposite end. But he's not alone. He has somebody looking after him. Right. I think that colour looks fab. But I am going to let this dry. And then I will come back and show you what I'm going to do with the rest of it. See you later. Okay, this has had more or less 24 hours. What I should have done is actually painted the rest of the face before I got this far. Bob's nose is pink. I'm just going to continue that down into the mouth. Now his whiskers are white, so I'm not even going to do anything about that. Monkey nose, doesn't matter. Sand him up. Those. I need to do the black part of the eye. Oh my word, my hands are wobbly today. It's been exceptionally hot. We've had a couple of weather warnings. Quite honestly, my breathing has been a bit of a struggle. I have COPD with the heat. Yeah, the breathing has not been good. Anyway, so I'm wondering about what I should do about this part of the eye. Should it be pink? Should I just leave it as is? I don't want to disturb Spot to ask him because he's down by my feet, and the further he stays away from this, the better. Yeah, he's asleep. I'm just going to leave that completely. Right, I need a little cut because although these eyes are lovely and golden, I want to make them sparkle a little bit. So I'm going to stand that back up that way. I'm going to turn my fan a moment because it's actually blowing things around on my desk. And you need to see, it's not magic, it's the fan. Right, I need a little bit of this. I need one of those. And I need one of these. Now I am going to put a small amount of UV resin in the cup. And I'm mostly going to be using this greenish yellow glitter, but I don't want it to be overly glittered. Makes sense. Just wanted to have like a hint of glitter in it. That's probably gone too far. And I was going to put green in as well, but this actually has got like a green fleck in it already. So I think this on its own will do what I want to do. What I want is something to balance that on. Bear with me. I should have an egg box here somewhere. And yes, I do. Just want to balance this. Just put a little bit. Very, very thin layer. And I'm not even sure I've left this black long enough to dry now, so I'm going to have to be very careful. I probably should have waited a bit longer to make sure that the black was dry, because I've done that before and ended up making a mess. So I'm going to give that a very quick zap before it touches the black. Or I would if I could figure out where I put it. Mostly the torch right in front of me. I just want it set enough so that it doesn't move. Let's get this zapped. So, get off there, you! What the hell is the matter with you? I honestly have no words. Stinkybutt just jumped up on top of the washing machine, which is where I keep my cake cooling rack for drying this kind of thing. And I actually have on there my skull for Skull Sunday. And I use the leftovers of this in a, I can't even show you. It's kind of like a silicone thing with very small holes. So I thought I'd make some terrazzo chips. And Stinkybutt has just jumped up on top of the washing machine and peed straight on to the mold for the terrazzo chips. I just, honestly, we have hedges. We have litter trays. We have places galore where cats can easily and neatly go to the loo. And she does that. I am just... I don't know what to say. Apart from those terrazzo chips will be going in the bin. But I'm going to have to wait for them to dry out now, because I'm not touching that. And I do want to rescue the mould. Right, I think this eye is done enough. I'm going to put this under the big UV light to make sure it's fully set. Then I'll do the other eye, and I'll be right back. See you in a bit. I think we are done. He's got a couple of coats of UV on his eyeballs. Well, I think the sparkle just gives it that little bit extra. So, finishing touches. I have got, oops, beeswax. I am just going to, problem is it's really, really hot here, and this is all kind of melted and gone a bit gooey. Now I'm not going to seal the base because although it is very hot here and it has been standing on a rack for 24 hours, there's probably still some moisture in there, and I want the base kind of allow that to escape. Oh, look at him. He's so gorgeous. And get my microfiber cloth, give him a little buff, get off the excess. Although the UV in the eyes is cured, I'm still not going to rub on them just in case. And there we are. Little boy Spot. The cat, the myth, the legend. I'll get you some photos, please. Give us a thumbs up. Put him back in there a second so you can see him. Okay. Big thanks to all my subscribers. If you're not already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider doing that. It doesn't cost you anything and it does help my channel get seen. And of course, the more views my videos get, the more YouTube pays me and the more the cats get fed. So just think, if you're suffering through me talking, at least Spot and the other 15 cats are going to get dinner tonight. Thanks again all for watching. See you soon. Bye.
I mixed up some epoxy, had a plan all set to go. Turned around for half a minute and it hardened like a stone. The glitter hit the tabletop, the floor my cup of tea. I swear I even found some sparkles hiding in my sleeve. I cleaned up once, I cleaned up twice, but chaos has a